So a while ago, my friend had gave me his MacBook Pro, and it had an error with the graphics card, so start up and pretty much be all pixelated. Wouldn't boot up at all. Went ahead and opened it up, replaced the thermal paste, closed it back up. Still would not turn on. I baked the board in the oven and put it back in again, replaced the thermal paste, got it started. Now the reason it overheated and would get hot a lot is because these MacBooks only have one way in, one way out for air, and that is back here. So what I did is I went ahead and added grommets all around and kept the bottom case open. Now this seemed to have fixed the problem with the overheating, and just to make sure, I downloaded a temperature app to check the temperatures, and this is what I'm running at right now at idle, which is significantly different and cooler from what it was before. So that's my MacBook Pro overheating fix.